अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। Assalamu alaikum. Your names are Munaza and Muniba?
Yeah.
Okay. And how old are the two of you?
I'm 11 and she's 7.
Okay, Naam, Alhamdulillah. So again, your names are, sorry, I forgot, Muniba and Munaza. Nice. And you can read the Arabic language, you can read the Quran, right? You know the letters, you know Alif, Ba, Ta, Jim, and you can read the Arabic language. Nice, Alhamdulillah. And you attended the class on Sunday. How did you like the class and what did you learn new in the class on Sunday?
I learned few of the numbers and I answered some of the quizzes questions.
Okay, nice.
I understood few of the numbers.
Awesome, very nice, Muniba. And Munaza, what did you learn in the class on Sunday?
I learned numbers.
You learned numbers. Which numbers do the two of you remember?
Like I don't know it by heart. In the options, I remember 4, 7, 8. Yeah.
Very nice. So Arbaatun is 4, Sabatun is 7, and Thamaniyatun is 8. And inshallah, we'll play games and we'll learn the Arabic language in an easy way. We'll do a lot of practice, we'll play games, we'll do quiz, and we'll do exercises in the class, inshallah, which will make it fun and which will also make it effective in learning. Awesome. And how are your classes going? Do you do your school classes also over Zoom?
Yeah. It's in the morning. Not over Zoom. First it was in Avaya Space and now it's in Google.
Okay, very nice. Alhamdulillah. So let's get started. What I'll only tell you is that we'll make learning fun. Okay. So the more that you practice in the class and the more that you try things out, the faster you will learn, inshallah. Okay. I'll share my screen and inshallah we will start today's lesson. And this lesson is really to help you catch up because we started classes about 4 weeks back. So some of the other students have done lessons. So that's why you'll see that they know numbers, they know a few other things. That's because they have done a few more classes which you have missed. Okay. So Muniba, Munaza, we'll try to do these lessons again and to help you with some practice so that you can catch up fast, inshallah. Okay. Awesome. Let me share my screen and I'll pause video so that the buffering becomes fast for the content that I'm sharing, inshallah. So this is the first lesson and this is the book. So the book we are going to use for our classes, inshallah, is Al-Arabiyatu Baina Yadik. Have you been able to download this book and do you have this book with you?
We have still not printed it, but I'm not sure we have downloaded it.
Okay, no problem. I'll send you the link again on your phone. If you have it on your phone, it is enough. Okay, so just make sure that you have it on your phone or your laptop or somewhere so that you can refer to the book, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do the first lesson of the book, and now in the classes we are doing the second lesson. The first lesson is At-Tahiyatu wa Ta'aruf. At-Tahiyatu is Assalamu alaikum. At-Tahiyatu is hi. That is At-Tahiyatu. Okay, so when you greet someone, so when you say good morning, when you say Assalamu alaikum, that is At-Tahiyatu. What the Aruf is when you ask how are you? How are you doing now? How is your health? That is what the Aruf. The first lesson is all about greeting and introducing each other. Okay. So what is the first lesson that we are going to learn, Muniba and Munaza?
Al-Tahitu wal-Tahru.
At-Tahiyatu wa Ta'aruf. And what does it mean?
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum and how are you is what we are going to learn in this lesson, inshallah. So this is what it means. The way we are going to learn the lesson is that we will have dialogues. First, we have a dialogue between two men, and then we have a dialogue between two women. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Awesome. So this is al-wahdatul awwal. Al-wahda means chapter. This is the first chapter or the first lesson.
Chapter 1.
Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is what it means. Ad-dars number 1, that means the first lesson. So the first lesson in chapter number 1, that's just for you to know. And this is al-hiwarul awwal. Al-hiwar means dialogue. Let me write this for you.
Dialogue 1.
Dialogue 1 is what we're going to see first. So hiwar means dialogue. Awwal means 1. Okay? And how we are going to do it is, first you will listen to me, and then you will repeat after me, and finally you'll try to do it yourselves. Undur means see, wastami' means hear. The first instruction is undur wastami', means see and listen. Okay, so what's the first interaction? First instruction, it's undur wastami'. What does it mean? Muniba and Munaza?
Undur wastami'.
Yes. What's the meaning of it? It means see and listen.
Okay.
Okay. This is a dialogue between Khalid and Khalil. I will now read the dialogue. Khalid says, Assalamu alaikum. Khalil says, Wa alaikum assalam. Khalid says, Ismi Khalid. Masmuka. Khalid replies, saying, Ismi Khalil. I'll explain the meaning, inshallah. Okay, so I'll explain the meaning. I'll first read it out so that you see the words, and then I'll explain the meaning. Khalid says, Kaifa haluka? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Wa kaifa haluka anta? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. That is the first dialogue. Let me read it again. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Khalid. Masmuka. Ismi Khalil. Kaifa haluka? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Wa kaifa haluka anta? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. That is the first dialogue. I'll now explain its meaning. Khalid starts the dialogue. He says, Assalamu alaikum. Assalam means peace. In simple words, peace is something which is nice. So we greet someone, we tell each other, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May salams be upon you and the rahmah of Allah and barakah. So salam means salam or peace. Allah means on or upon. What is the meaning of Allah?
On or upon.
On or upon. Kum means you. So together, it would mean peace be upon you. That is the meaning of Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Now Khalil replies. He says, Wa alaikumus salam. Wa means and. Allah is what we've already seen. We've already seen Allah, which means on or upon. Kum means you. And upon you be peace. Okay, that's the meaning of Wa alaikum assalam. Khalid then says, Ismi Khalid. Ism means name. Me, the ya means I. Okay, this is a pronoun which you may or may not have caught in the class we did yesterday.
Yeah.
Let me, in fact, move this a little up. So, ism means name. Ismi means my name. Okay, so I or my would be the ya. And inshallah, try to catch the words. If not, we'll do practice. Okay, it'll become very, very easy, inshallah. Yeah. So he says, Ismi Khalid.
Can I write it down? Can I write it down later?
I'll send this to you. I'll send this to you. You'll have this, inshallah. So now try to pay attention. I'll send this to you so that you have all of this, inshallah. Okay?
Yeah.
Nice. He says, Ismi Khalil. My name is Khalil. Masmuka. Ma means what?
Name.
So ma is what? Ism is what we've already seen. So ism means name. Ismuka
Name.
is your name. And what is your name is the meaning of this. Now,
What is your
pay attention to the pronouns. The quicker you spot this and the quicker you learn this, learning will become easy, inshallah. So,
yeah?
Khalid says, Ismi Khalid.
Me, Khalid.
Okay. And he asks,
Yeah.
Masmuka. If for some reason I'm not able to change the color of this, it's fine. Let's go on. So, Ismi, me means I, Ka means you. And Khalil says, Ismi Khalil. My name is Khalil. And then Khalid asks, Kaifa haluka. And notice we have the ka again. It's the same ka. So he says, Kaifa means how. Hal. Hal is a word that is difficult to translate in English. Hal is something like how are you? Okay, so how are you or how are you doing is what hal is. So hal is really like how are you doing, Muniba, or how are you doing, Munaza. I will say Kaifa haluki. Okay, so that's hal. Hal is really like how are you doing and how are things going. That's hal. Kaifa haluka would together translate as how are you. My words are going down. Let me try to move this also a little up so it's clear for you to read. So this together means how are you. Khalil says bi khairin walhamdulillah. Bi khairin means I am good. I have khairiyat. Have any of you heard someone asking in Urdu, khairiyat, तुम्हारी khairiyat क्या है? Have any of you heard that, Muniba or Munaza?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so they ask khairiyat, which is really like how are you doing? So bi khairin means I'm doing well. Good. Walhamdulillah is alhamdulillah. Hamd be to Allah, praise be to Allah. Hamd means praise. Lillah means be to Allah. Praise be to Allah. Okay. And Khalil asks, wa kaifa haluka anta. Wa means and. Kaifa we've already seen. Kaifa means how. Haluka means your hal. And notice the ka again. We again have the ka.
Ka.
Kaifa haluka means your hal. Ka means you. So when he says haluka, Khalil is asking Khalid, how is your hal? Anta also means you. So anta and ka mean you. Ka will be attached to a word, anta will come separately. So kaifa haluka anta will mean and how are you? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. With khair, good, alhamdulillah. That's the meaning of this dialogue. Let me open this and let me read this out again. Assalamu alaikum. In fact, let me open this. So, Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you. Walaikum assalam means and upon you be peace. Ismi Khalid, your Khalid is introducing himself. So he says, Ismi Khalid, my name, my ism is Khalid. Masmuka, what is your name? Khalil responds saying, Ismi Khalil, my name is Khalil. Kaifa haluka means how are you? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Bi khairin means good. Walhamdulillah means and praise be to Allah. And he asks a question. He asks, Wa kaifa haluka anta? And how is your hal and how are you doing? Khalid responds saying, Bi khairin walhamdulillah. That's the first dialogue. What we'll do now is you'll repeat after me, okay? So we'll first do Muniba.
Yes.
You, Muniba, repeat after me. So I will say the line. So this is Untur wastame wa aid. So I'll read it line by line and you have to repeat after me. Okay?
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikumus salam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ismi Khalid.
Ismi Khalid.
Masmuka.
Masmuka.
Ismi Khalil.
Ismi Khalil.
Kaifa haluka.
Kaifa haluka?
Bi khairin.
Bi khairin.
Walhamdulillah.
Walhamdulillah.
Wa kaifa
Wa kaifa
haluka anta.
haluka anta?
Bi khairin.
Bi khairin.
Walhamdulillah.
Walhamdulillah.
So easy dialogue. Now, Munasa, you repeat after me. We'll start again from the beginning. Khalid says, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikumus salam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ismi Khalid.
Ismi Khalid.
Masmuka.
Masmuka.
Ismi Khalil.
Ismi Khalil.
Kaifa haluka.
Kaifa haluka?
Bi khairin.
Bi khairi.
Bi khairin.
Bi khairin.
Walhamdulillah.
Walhamdulillah.
Wa kaifa
Wa kaifa
haluka anta.
haluka anta?
Bi khairin.
Bi khairin.
Walhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Very nice. Now, let's do practice between the two of you. Muniba, you be Khalid. You will read, inshallah, the dialogues in blue. And Munaza,
Okay.
you be Khalil. You read the dialogues in orange.
Okay.
Okay? Start, Muniba.
Khalid. Assalamu alaikum.
Very good.
Wa alaikum assalam. Khalid. Ismaiti Khalid.
Ismi
Ma
Khalid.
Ismi Khalid. Masumka.
Masmuka.
Masmuka.
Good.
Ismi Khalil.
Very good.
Kaifa haluka?
Very
Kaifa
good.
haluka?
Kaifa haluka. Very nice.
Bija.
Bi khairin.
Bi khairin.
Wa alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Wa kaifa haluka?
Anta.
Anta.
Nice.
Khalid. Bi khairin. Walhamdulillah.
Very nice. MashaAllah. You have done it very nice. Bi khairin walhamdulillah is correct. Let us swap roles. Now, let Munaza do Khalid and Muniba, you do Khalil, inshallah. Okay? So, Munaza, you start with Assalamu alaikum.
Khalil, assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
Ismi
Ismi Khalid.
Masmuka. So, the way this works,
Masmuka.
yes, this alif, if it comes, so this alif, if you see, does not have any hamza on it. Let me show you an alif with the hamzas, like this alif. Let me zoom in.
Yeah.
This alif has a hamza. This alif is always read. The other alif, this alif, comes in between and it does not have a hamza. That means we'll skip it. Okay, so if this alif comes in the starting, for example, there's this alif here, it has a zir, it has a kasra, we'll read this alif. But if it comes in between, if it comes somewhere like this, we will miss this alif. So we will miss this alif and we will say mas muka. Okay, so mas muka again, Munaza.
Khalil.
Ismi Khalil. Okay.
Ismi
Next.
Khalil. Ja.
Kaifa.
Kaifa. Pa. Ha.
Haluka.
Haluka.
Nice.
بخير والحمد لله وكيف حالك أنت
بخير.
بخير
Walhamdulillah.
بخير والحمد لله.
Very nice. So the ra below it, we have the kasra sign. It's two zir or two kasra. So it will be read as khairin. Okay, so bi khairin walhamdulillah. Very, very nice, Muniba and Munazo. You've read the first dialogue and you've read it very, very nicely, mashallah. I see that we have a couple of other students in the call. Nimra and Sidra, are you with us?
जी भैया अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum assalam. You want to practice this dialogue as well with us?
ओके भैया.
Okay. You want me to read the dialogue and repeat after me, or do you want to read it yourselves?
We'll repeat after you once भैया and then we'll try
And then
on our
start.
own.
Okay, perfect. So repeat after me. This is a dialogue between Khalid and Khalil. This is an introductory dialogue. So Khalid
Yeah.
says, Assalamu alaikum.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum assalam.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Ismi Khalid. Masmuka. Can you hear me, Nimra Sidra?
Yeah.
Masmuka. Ismi Khalil.
इसमें खलील.
Kaifa haluka.
कैफा हालुका.
Bi khairin. Bi khairin. I cannot hear you, Nimra and Sidra.
बिखैरिन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Very nice. Wa kaifa haluka.
वकैफा हालुका अंता.
Anta. Very nice. Bi khairin walhamdulillah.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
You guys want to try the dialogue between the two of you, Nimra and Sidra, now?
Yes,
Yes, okay, go ahead.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. इसमी खालिद. मसमुका. इसमी खलील. कैफा हालुका. बिखैर वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. वकैफा हालुका. वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Very nice. وَكَيْفَ حَالُكَ أَنْتَ بِخَيْرٍ وَالْحَمْدُ. Very nice. We have done the first dialogue. We'll do another dialogue now. This dialogue is between two ladies or between two girls. Okay? So a dialogue between two girls, we will see same conversation, same things being said. We will see what is the difference. Okay? We'll see what's the difference when two girls are talking to each other. How will they talk?
Yeah.
This is a dialogue between Khawla and Khadija. The name of the first girl is Khawla and the second girl is Khadija. Khawla says Assalamu alaikum. Khadija says Wa alaikum assalam. In fact, let me read this whole dialogue and then I'll explain. So Khawla says Assalamu alaikum. Khadija replies saying Wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Khawla. Masmuki. Ismi Khadija. Kaifa haluki? Bikhairin walhamdulillah. Wa kaifa haluki anti? Bikhairin walhamdulillah. This is the second dialogue. Let me explain it. Khawla starts the conversation. She says, Assalamu alaikum. Khadija says, Wa alaikum assalam. Khawla says, Ismi Khawla. My name is Khawla. Masmu ki. Notice here
Change.
the key. In the first dialogue, who can tell me, Muniba and Munaza, what did we say in the first dialogue for how are you?
Assalamu alaikum.
How did we say how are you?
Masmuka.
Masmuka, okay? Here, it is Masmuki. So we say Masmuki when we are talking to a girl. We will say Masmuka when we are talking to a boy. Okay? So, if I were to ask you, Nimra, if I were to ask you, what is your name, Nimra? Would I say Masmuka or Masmuki?
Masmuki.
Masmuka, Masmuki. Muniba, if you were to ask Nimra, so Nimra and Sidra are in the call, they are from OT, and we have Muniba and Munaza from Bangalore. So if we were to ask Nimra, how are you? Or if we were to ask her, what is your name? What would we ask? We would say Masmuka or Masmuki?
Masmuki.
Masmuki, because Nimra is a girl. If we were to ask Sidra, who is her sister, what is your name? Would we say Masmuka or Masmuki?
Masmuki. Masmuki.
Masmuki, very nice. And she would respond saying, Ismi, my name is Nimra. My name is Sidra. Now, if you were to say, Muniba and Munaza, my name is Muniba, my name is Munaza, how would you say it?
Ismiki Muniba.
Again?
Ismiki Muniba.
Ismi. Ismi is my name. Ismi Muniba. Ismi Munaza. Okay? And that's what we'll see. Khadija says. So she says, Ismi Khadija. You would say, Ismi Muniba. Ismi Munaza. Ismi Nimra. Ismi Sidra. I would say, Ismi Safid. So this Ismi, the ya does not change. The ya is the same. Okay, so Ismi, the ya is the same. Here also, we will say in Ismi is the same ya. Okay, so she says, Ismi Khadija, my name is Khadija. Kaifa haluki. Kaifa haluki, again, like we ask Ismuki, you would ask Kaifa haluki. And what is the meaning of Kaifa haluki?
How are you doing?
Kaifa haluki. How are you? How are you?
How are you? So when we ask to a girl, how are you? We would say Kaifa haluki. If you were to ask me, how are you? What would you say?
Kaifa haluka.
Kaifa haluka. You are fast learners, mashallah. So if I ask Kaifa haluki ya Nimra, what would your answer be?
Alhamdulillah.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Kaifa haluki ya Sidra?
Bi khairin walhamdulillah.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah. So Khadija also says Bi khairin walhamdulillah. This part is the same. It does not change. She asks Khawla back, Wa kaifa haluki anti? Now notice, haluka in the first dialogue becomes haluki. And anti is an added word. So how are you? You tell me. That would be kaifa haluki anti. Kaifa haluki is sufficient. Okay. So if she says wa kaifa haluki, it would be and how are you? So this is also sufficient. Kaifa haluki anti means and how are you? You please tell me. That is the meaning of kaifa haluki anti. And Khawla says bi khairin walhamdulillah. Now you repeat after me. Let's do Muniba now. So Muniba, repeat after me. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikumus salam.
Walaikum assalam.
Ismi Khawla.
Ismi Khawla.
Masmuki.
Masmuki.
Ismi Khadija.
Ismi Khadija.
Kaifa haluki.
Kaifa haluki?
Bi khairin
Bi khairin.
walhamdulillah.
Walhamdulillah.
Wa kaifa haluki
Wa kaifa haluki?
anti
Anti
bi khairin
bi khairin.
walhamdulillah.
Walhamdulillah.
Very nice, mashallah. Very well done, Muniba. Munaza, now you repeat after me. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikumus salam.
Walaikum assalam.
Ismi Khawla.
Ismi Khawla.
Masmuki.
Masmuki.
Ismi Khadija.
Ismi Khadija.
Kaifa haluki
Kaifa haluki?
bi khairin
Bi khairin.
walhamdulillah.
Walhamdulillah.
Wa kaifa
Wa kaifa
haluki
haluki?
anti
Anti
bi khairin
bi khairin.
walhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Very nice, mashallah. Very well done. Let's do practice now. So let's do Muniba and Sidra.
Yes.
Okay. So Muniba, you do the first dialogue in blue, and Sidra, you do the second person in orange. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on. Start, Muniba.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khawla. Masmuka. Ismi
Masmuki.
Khayla. Masmuki.
Very nice.
Ja.
Again, Sidra. I think your voice is breaking. Try again. Okay, your dialogue would be Ismi Khadija. Can you try again? I think your voice is breaking.
Ismi Khatija.
Very nice.
Kaifa haluki. Kaifa haluki.
Khairin walhamdulillah. Haluki anti.
Wa kaifa haluki anti? Last dialogue, Sidra. Sorry, Muniba.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah.
Very nice. Now, I think Rahmat has joined us. Are you there? Can you hear us, Rahmat?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been able to catch the
Hello?
dialogue, Rahmat?
Yes.
Okay, let's do practice now. Now let's do Rahmat and Munaza. Rahmat, you do the dialogue in blue, and Munaza, you do the dialogue in orange. Okay. So start, Rahmat.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Ismi Khawla Masmuki.
Ismi Khawla.
Khadija.
Ismi Khawla.
Ismi Khadija.
Ismi Khadija.
Kaifa haluki? Bi khairin.
Bi khairin. Walhamdulillah.
Very nice.
وكيف Haluka.
Haluki.
Haluki.
Anti.
Anti.
Very nice.
بخير والحمد لله.
Very nice. What is the meaning of Assalamu alaikum? Who can guess the meaning?
सलामत हो ऊपर आपके ऊपर.
Salam aapke upar. Salams be upon you. Walaikum assalam. What is the meaning of that be?
Salam upon you.
And upon you be salam. Allah means on or upon, and upon you be salam. Now, Rahmat, you tell me, what's the meaning of kaifa haluki?
How are you?
To a girl. And what would the response be to kaifa haluki?
بخير والحمد لله.
Very nice, Rahmat. Now, question to Muniba.
Yeah.
Kaifa haluki ya Muniba?
How are you?
Yes. How? And what would your answer be? How would you reply to it?
بخير والحمد لله.
Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Very nice. Awesome. We'll quickly see the new words. Any questions on this dialogue? Any word or any part of it that you have not understood? Muniba, Munaza, any questions?
What does بخير والحمد لله mean?
Bi khairin alhamdulillah. Bi khairin means good. I am good. The literal meaning is with khair, with khairiyat, with good. But the way you will translate it in our conversation means doing well, doing good. That is bi khairin. Walhamdulillah means we say alhamdulillah. How are you doing, Muniba? You would say, I'm doing very well, alhamdulillah. How did you do your exams, Muniba? You would say, I did well, alhamdulillah. If I ask Rahmat, how was your day, Rahmat? What would you say, Rahmat?
بخير والحمد لله.
Bi khairin alhamdulillah. My day was good, alhamdulillah. Is what Rahmat would say. So alhamdulillah means praise be to Allah. It's thanks to Allah that I am doing well. It's thanks to Allah that my day was good. So that is alhamdulillah. It's the same as over here. Okay, so I'll send you this page, and I'll also send you a translation of the book soon, inshallah. So bi khairin means good or doing good. Doing good. Alhamdulillah. Praise be to Allah. Okay. Other questions, Muniba? You understood the dialogue?
Yeah.
Awesome. Nimra, Sidra, Rahmat, any questions?
No.
Very nice. Kaifa haluka. What would the meaning of this be, Rahmat? Kaifa haluka.
How are
How
you?
are you?
Very good. Would you ask Kaifa haluka to a boy or to a girl?
To a girl.
Boy.
Boy, girl.
Sorry, to a boy.
To a boy. Okay, so it's two
Haluki
boys.
is for girl and Haluka is for boy.
Correct. So Kaifa haluka is what the two men would say when talking to each other. Kaifa haluki is what the two girls will say when talking to each other. Anti. Anti means you. This is anti. Anti would mean you. Okay. Anta, you for girl. Anta is you for boy. Now, question to Munaza. If I ask you, Munaza, how are you, Munaza? Would I say Kaifa haluki anti, or will I say Kaifa haluki anta? Anti or anta?
Auntie.
Anti. Why? Because Munaza is a girl. So I would say Kaifa haluki anti. Okay. Masmuka and masmuki. What's the meaning of these words, masmuka and masmuki?
Masmuka means boy. Masmuki means girl.
Correct. And what's the meaning of this question? Masmuka, what's the meaning of
How are
masmuka?
you? If you are asking someone,
Sorry, again?
if you are asking someone,
Asking someone what?
How are you?
The literal meaning is, what is your name? So ma means what? Ism means name. Ka means your name. Okay, so notice the kaifa masmuka and kaifa haluka is the same thing. And at the bottom we have kaifa haluki and masmuki. So the ki is used when you're talking to a girl, ka is used when you're talking to a boy. Okay. Now we'll do match the following. Try the annotation button. Okay. So all of you try the annotation button, and you need to do something like this. So masmuka will be used when the two boys are talking. So you take this and match it here like this. And masmuki would be said when two girls are talking. Yes, correct. Let me try to see who's annotating. Okay, nice. So we've annotated this. Nimra and Sidra, that's correct. Muniba, Munaza, correct. Nimra, Sidra, correct. So Anti would be down. Anta would be on top. This is correct. Kaifa Haluki and Kaifa Haluka. Very nice. MashaAllah, correct. You people have mastered. So you can talk to each other now, inshallah, and you can ask how are you and how is your name. That's what we've learned. And we've also learned to say, my name is Dash. My name is Nimrod. My name is Rahmat. My name is Munaza. How would we say that? How would Muniba say, my name is Muniba?
Masmuka Muniba. Ismi Muniba.
Ismi Muniba. My name is Muniba. Masmuki is, what is your name?
What is your name?
Very nice. And how would you say Sidra? My name is Sidra. How would you say it?
Ismi Sidra.
Ismi Sidra. Very nice. Now, we'll do responses to the questions. Let us do Sidra first. Assalamu alaikum. What would your response be, Sidra?
Walaikum assalam.
Very nice. Kaifa haluka. What would a boy say for Kaifa haluka?
Kaifa halu?
Kaifa haluka means how are you? So what would he say?
Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khalid.
When you ask Masmuka, what is your name? Then he would say Ismi. You would say Ismi Khalid. Okay. Let's do this one. So if I ask Kaifa haluki, what would you say, Sidra? How are you, Sidra?
Bi khairin walhamdulillah.
Mikhairin, alhamdulillah. Very nice. Now, question to Nimra. Masmuki. What would you say, Nimra?
Bi khairin walhamdulillah.
No, Masmuki. Again?
Ismi Nimra.
Ismi Nimra. Ismi Nimra is what you would say. So this is dialogue one. And did you find it easy or did you find it difficult?
Easy.
Easy. So the future lessons also, we will do it this way. Okay. So some of you missed a few lessons because of which we rushed and we were catching about lesson 2. This is the same approach, inshallah, that we will use when we're learning a lesson. We will start a dialogue. We will do a lot of practice. And it's by doing practice together, by listening, by repeating after me, and by trying it yourselves, that we will learn easily, inshallah. This is a very quick, a very easy, and also a very effective way to learning, especially when it comes to a new language. What I'll advise you to do is to continue this learning even after the class. So the class will really tell you how to learn. And the class will learn whether I should learn like this or whether I should learn like that. You will get a course correction. What you need to do is take the same learnings that we're doing in the class and do practice after the class. Okay? And that is very, very important for you to continue learning and to learn fast, inshallah. We will do one homework for this class. that is this conversation that we have seen, you will do this conversation with each other. So Muniba and Munaza, you will ask each other, you will first say Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. You will ask, you will say, my name is Muniba, and what is your name? And Munaza will say, my name is Munaza, how are you? And you would reply saying, I am good, alhamdulillah, bi khairin walhamdulillah. And how are you? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. So this is the homework which you need to do by yourself, and send me the recording on WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll check it and I'll let you know in case you're doing it correct. So Muniba, Munaza, you will have the dialogue. So you'll do salams. What is your name? My name is Muniba Munaza. And what is your name? How are you? I am fine, alhamdulillah. And I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, so Muniba, Munaza, try this dialogue as you're speaking to each other. Nimra, Sidra, you do this dialogue as you are speaking to each other. And Rahmat, inshallah, you also do this dialogue with someone. So you try doing it both together, or if you can pair with Nimra, Sidra, try doing it with one of them. Okay, any questions on the homework?
No.
Try to send me this homework by Friday. So try to practice this conversation again by yourselves and send me this homework by Friday. And inshallah, we will connect in the next class on Saturday, inshallah. So Saturday, we will continue with our lessons. And every Monday, 8 o'clock, we'll do practice of the old lessons which we've missed, inshallah. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Awesome. That was today's lesson. Anyone has any question on the homework?
No.
Very nice. Very, very simple, very easy homework. The homework is simply, you need to do the same dialogue between the two of you. So you need to speak to each other with the new words that we have learned, inshallah. And with that, we will learn the language and we'll never forget these words, inshallah. On that note, we'll close this class and we'll meet on the next class on Saturday, inshallah. And we'll connect at 12:30 p.m. Yes?
Do we have a quiz? A quiz.
A quiz on Saturday? No, we might have a quiz on Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Try to prepare for the quiz on Sunday. What I'll do is also send you recordings, okay? So we have, let me show it to you. What I've sent to all of you on WhatsApp and what I'll post also.
Yeah.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll send you the link to this playlist. What we have here is all of the lessons we have done before. Okay. So class 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Class 1 is exactly the class 1 which we are doing now. For instance, if I go forward, we have this dialogue, the same dialogue between Khalid and Khalil. So it's the same dialogue. And we've also done the later dialogue. I go forward. We have this dialogue. We have the second dialogue as well. So we did the same classes, and the intent of this class was really to help you with practice. So if you do practice in the class, you learn faster. So that's why we had this class, because you missed the old classes that we conducted. So what I'll encourage you to do is I'll send you this link. Try to go through at least the first 3 or 4 videos. That will give you also the upcoming lessons, and do this homework which we just discussed. Okay, and that with that, inshallah, you will learn the right one. You will be learning fast, inshallah. Awesome. Any other questions?
No.
Cool. We will close then, and we will meet on Saturday, inshallah. So Saturday, we will do one more lesson, but this will be of lesson 2 or continuation, and we'll do practice of lesson 2.
Which color should Munaza do and which color should I do in the homework?
One of you do say start. One of you start and one of you reply. So you'll say Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. The first person would say Ismi. So if you start Muniba, you would say Ismi Muniba, Masmuki, and Munaza would say Ismi Munaza, Kaifa haluki, and you would say Bi khairin walhamdulillah, wa kaifa haluki anti, and you would close the last dialogue. Whoever started will close the last dialogue saying "We khairin walhamdulillah." So just speak between you and do Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. What is your name? My name is this. And how are you? I am fine, alhamdulillah. That's the dialogue we need to practice.
Okay.
Okay? Awesome. By when do you have to send me the homework?
Before Friday.
I might send it by Friday, or else I might send it off now only.
Send it off now only. So anytime before Friday. Now is best. If you have sent it now, tomorrow morning I'll be able to tell you if you've done it correctly or not. So you send it today, tomorrow morning I will respond to you back, inshallah. Okay? And record it on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, you will see a mic button at the bottom right. That's the easiest way to record. So try to record when you're speaking and send it to me, inshallah.
Okay.
On that note, we will close. We will meet, inshallah, on Saturday. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. All gratitude and praise be to Allah. Wa ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. And we bear witness that Allah is one. And we ask Him for any forgiveness for any mistakes that we have committed in the class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I had a lot of fun teaching you and see you on Saturday, inshallah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Ma salama. See you on Saturday.